Browsing through AliExpress, you can easily get overwhelmed trying to figure out what niche and product you should start with. Here are 5 highly lucrative dropshipping niches you can start with. Number 1 on the list is the health and beauty care niche. This niche includes products that help people improve their physical appearance and well-being. Examples of products in the health and beauty niche include facial rollers, makeup brushes, teeth whiteners, and massagers. According to the data published by Statista, this niche is on track to make over $646 billion in revenue worldwide. The best part is that in terms of a per person revenue globally, the beauty and health niche is expected to generate $83 in 2024. This is huge and signals a great opportunity for you as a dropshipper. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Precious here. Take the guesswork out of finding dropshipping products and niches to sell in. Blueanna.com provides you with ready-made dropshipping websites that you can launch in 2 minutes. These websites come with dropshipping products already imported and optimized. These ready-made websites come with email marketing and product upsells built in. Check out blueanna.com and find products and websites that can 10x your sales. Number 2 most popular niche on the list is the phone case niche. The popularity of smartphones has transformed them from mere commodities to indispensable tools. Recognizing this shift, consumers increasingly prioritize safeguarding their valuable devices, thereby creating a huge market for phone cases. Before you get in on the action, make sure to curate a diverse selection of styles and models of phone cases. Consider offering a selection of highly sought-after phone cases, such as battery charger phone cases, military-grade phone cases, lightweight shock-proof phone cases, extra slim silicone phone cases, and other related phone case types. And number 3, we have the swimwear niche. You might be wondering, this niche doesn't sound like a trending niche. You'd be wrong to assume that. With the allure of summertime drawing people to the beach, the demand for swimwear during the summer season positions it as an optimal choice for dropshippers seeking a niche with a consistent consumer interest. What makes this niche particularly attractive is its broad appeal, as the need for a bathing suit transcends demographics, offering a lucrative market for dropshippers. To boost sales and customer satisfaction, make sure that your product selection includes items like cover-ups, beach bags, sunglasses, animal print bikini, push-up bra bikini set, loose beach cover-up, high-dye boho bikini cover-ups, and many other related products. At number 4, we have the men's fashion niche. While fashion remains an all-time favorite for seasoned dropshippers, the limelight has often gravitated towards women's apparel. However, men's fashion emerges as a lucrative and less saturated niche, which offers substantial profit potential for dropshippers who are just starting out. In the men's niche, it's important to stay informed on trendy products. Some of the best-selling items within the men's fashion niche include slim fit trousers, cycling jersey sets, anti-wrinkle stretch cotton dress shirts, loose 3D all-over print beach shirts, solid color linen long sleeve shirts, and many other related products. If you want to take out the guesswork in finding the right products for your niche, check out blueanna.com and launch ready-made websites that include trending and well-researched products. At number 5, we have the women's fashion niche. Even though this niche seems like a no-brainer, most people don't appreciate the huge opportunity available in this niche. In 2024, the revenue in the women's apparel market worldwide is projected to reach a staggering $936 billion. However, if you wish to get into this women's fashion dropshipping niche, you need to understand that the niche is hyper-competitive and trends change rapidly. Understanding these things will help you create strategies to navigate these challenges. Sign up to my newsletter where I send out a curated list of trending dropshipping products weekly. Link is in the description. Make sure to include in your WooCommerce or Shopify dropshipping store products like leggings and sports bra yoga sets, long cycling overalls, padded camisole tops, crisscross grip halter tops, in puffer jackets, and many other related products. Hope you found this video interesting. Look out for the part 2 of this video where I'll cover more niches. Subscribe and hit the notification icon. You can also sign up for my newsletter where I send out a weekly curated list of trending products you can dropship. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.